We're out at Johnson Valley. We're filming a special Hotspots episode for you guys. There's hundreds of thousands of people out here, guys.
As long as this doesn't fly off, we're good. I don't care about the hood.
All right, we're here. We're out at Johnson Valley. We're filming a special Hotspots episode for you guys. This is mainly geared towards the Prerunner community, the Prerunner guys that want to come out to KOH this year. So we're in Johnson Valley where KOH is, and we're going to show you guys some really cool spots out here.
Yeah, if you guys haven't heard, a lot of cool stuff is going on this year. We are doing a special Terra thing out here.
Terra Crew Rush Race at KOH is coming up quick, and here's some things that you need to know. The race on Saturday, February 4th is a one-lap, 40-mile rush. Costs $300 to enter. And each class, 1450 and 1400, have a $12,500 purse. Whew, that's a lot of money. Make sure you guys hit the link in our bio because that has access to registration, the rule book for safety requirement, as well as general admission passes for King of the Hammers. More information on classes and everything else having to do with this race coming very soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned.
The really cool thing is Onyx hit us up about doing this episode out here. Our plan was to be here already.
Yeah.
So New Year's party with all the boys, it's going to be a good time. Yeah, we're going to check out a bunch of good spots that we actually hit up for our circle pit event. We got the dune jump. I think we're going to hit first. And then second, we got this gnarly rock pile, old MDR course jump. Also, we're going to check out just some other cool spots, first-timers spots that you guys should know for the KOH area. Anything else?
I'm going to map out these spots, and then I'm going to put them in a folder, and then they're going to be available for everyone to be able to download here in a little while, right before the KOH. So you guys will have every spot available to you. If you have the Onyx app, you can download the folder with all the spots in it, and you'll know where we went today and tomorrow.
Guys, so we're starting this part off right here off Boone Road. This is where everybody comes in. This is the main highway to enter into the KOH area. Lucerne is freaking massive. This is basically one side of it, but we're actually going to be checking out other parts of it too, but let's stay focused on this one right now.
So start off, I'm going to mark this spot right here, and then you guys will know where you're going to enter in to come into the Hammertown. All right, so we're in the Onyx app. We're right here at the entrance, 247 Old Woman Spring Road, and here's Boone Road. It's already marked in green. So I'm gonna go in here to my tools, add waypoint right here. I'm gonna mark it Boone Road trail. And all these I'm gonna make green for this trip. So right there, boom, save. Now we have the entrance to KOH marked. Good to go, let's go. Get out of here. All right, so we made it to the lake bed. So this is Jean Dry Lake Bed, right? This is where Hammertown's gonna be. So like it's right in the middle of the lake bed. I'll mark this spot as well. So when you guys come in off of Boone Road, which is out that way, you come into Boone Road, it's a nice graded road. You're gonna pass like this nice new cross on your right, and then Hammertown's gonna be right on your left after that. So here we are.
Yeah, I know it kind of sounds self-explanatory, but there's so many people here, and depending on how the wind is and the dust, it's a huge factor on knowing where the hell you are. You could literally go like 200 feet in one direction, not know where your camp is or not know where you're going, because a lot of things that you use aren't going to be there. You know what I mean? Like points, you know what I mean?
Right.
So anyways, it's good to keep that in mind. Share with the family, share with noobs that are coming out like me. Evan's telling me where we are, and I'm like, yeah, I guess so.
It's good too, just for example, last couple of years where I've been camped, the route back to camp from Hammertown or anywhere on the lake bed changes every day. That's how many people are constantly being filtered in and out of this area during the 2 weeks or the 10 days of King of the Hammers.
Yeah.
So it's good to have marked spots, and if you have the Onyx app, you can download this folder and you'll have all these spots marked, and you'll be good to go. It gets really dusty out here, depending on how the weather is. If it rains, then the dust goes away, but there's hundreds of thousands of people out here, guys. So it gets really bad, really dusty.
Yeah.
So it's good to have spots marked in an app that where you don't have to try and find your way through the dust. You can kind of just use the app to find your way through. So the wind always comes in from the west and goes east. So if you stay off the lake bed and try to stay high and more to the west, then you should be pretty good. It's basically this ridge that's going along here. This will all be full of campers. I usually park over there where the ridge comes down, and you kind of stay out of the wind and it's less dusty. And then people will camp all the way up to pretty much the mountainside. So if you stay over here in this section, you kind of stay out of the dust because the dust will settle low and it'll blow that way.
If you're riding in a Can-Am, or even if you guys have a windshield, it's definitely good to have goggles on you. It gets pretty crazy.
Next spot we're gonna go to is an essential spot, especially during the week of King of the Hammers. It's called Cell Phone Bush. It's the only spot on the lake bed within reason where you get cell phone service. It's weird. It's a weird anomaly that's going on over there, but it works every time. So it's right over here, and we're gonna show you guys where that's at.
All the OG vets are cringing, punching the air right now. Why are you sharing these secrets? You know what? It's important, dude. You know, it's good to be safe. It's good to be informed about the dust and cell phone bush and all that stuff, because you never know, man, when something scary is gonna happen. You know, we want to keep people safe and want to keep them informed, so punch the air all you want.
This is Cell Phone Bush. It's a big giant bush in the middle of the lake bed. The cool thing is you can see this from pretty far if the visibility is clear. So you kind of know where it is from a visual standpoint. We're gonna mark it on the map. I'm gonna put a little tower icon so you guys know that this is a cell phone bush tower.
Yeah. I've never had to really experience that. I just have service, so. But I know you get really good service here.
But when it's over, when the network is overloaded and overwhelmed, nobody gets service on any network. So, but for some reason, there's some anomaly with this bush where you get a couple bars here, pretty much no matter what. Right. So that's why they call it Cell Phone Bush. But we're gonna head up to one of the most popular spots to go, which is called Chocolate Thunder. It's where a lot of the night crawling. Yeah.
Chocolate! Chocolate! Chocolate!
It's called Chocolate Thunder. It's right here. You guys can see it. I probably can't see it on that, but you can see it with your naked eye. It's where a lot of cool stuff happens at nighttime. And guys go crawling up there and everybody lights it up and fireworks and all that kind of stuff.
It pops over there, dude. Our buddy Gary from Booty Hustlers, Hoonigan, was over there last year, and he got some madness. We were over there too. It gets rowdy, dude. So if you guys are looking for action, all kinds of action.
Yeah.
Like there's some brawling, bro.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know. Be careful. Yeah. But anyways, that chocolate reference was SpongeBob. Those of you who've got it.
Okay.
Any of you that didn't, well, whatever. Let's go.
All right, guys, so we made it slightly up to the hill to Chocolate Thunder. It's a really popular spot during the week of KOH. As you can see behind me here, you have a rock trail, and it gets pretty gnarly going up there, and then people will camp all along the side and like watch people go up and stuff. A lot of people like to party up here. It's pretty cracking almost every night of the week. And you get a really cool view of Hammertown. So like at nighttime, this is all lit up. And it's a pretty cool view, especially if it's not dusty, which is a rare occurrence, but it happens. So I'm gonna mark this spot for you guys to check out. It's easy to get to in a Prerunner or two-wheel drive. You've got to air down a little bit. It's a little sandy coming in. If you stay on the south side of the main trail, it's pretty hard packed. And then it is pretty steep coming up this hill, so you won't be able to get up too far before we start spinning out. But this is a fun place to go at nighttime and during the races, during the rock races too. So I'll mark this on the Onyx app, and then you guys will know where it's at. So the next spot we're gonna go to is we're gonna go on the other side of the lake bed, and there's a dune jump over there, some little dunes, and then we're also gonna hit that jump. We're gonna show you guys where that jump was. That was that circle and pit. It's like a little wall jump, part of an old MDR course. So that's where we're heading to next. Like I said, Chocolate Thunder, place to go if you like to party.
Let's get the party started.
Let's get the party started.
What's up, guys? We're at the dune jump right here, over here at over there, you know, down that place.
What?
We're at the dune jump, the one from Circle Pit, the one that Danny sent it off, the ones that a lot of people sent it off. We got some butt clenchers, we got some cheek squeezers, we got a lot of sketchy stuff happens at this jump. So before you hit it at speed, roll it through, check it out. Number one most important thing before you guys hit it is get a spotter up here. There's a lot of little dunes right here and you can't see people coming from the other side, so yeah.
So we're right around the corner from Hammertown heading towards Lucerne.
Yep.
And it's just a cool spot to go. The race course comes through over here on the lake bed, so you can kind of see the race from here. But yeah, it's a rad spot. So we're gonna mark it and you guys come visit and do some jumps.
So yeah, guys, this is kind of like a dune spot over here. Obviously there's a jump, some guy just went through it right there. No spotter, breaking the rules, don't do that. But there's a bunch of cool little dunes around here. Our other buddies from Vent 2 Motorsports, George and Jack, Mikey, all those guys, they come out here regularly and they hit some big fat booters. Next, we're heading to actually the next spot we hit at Circle Pit, which is the old MDR race course. We're gonna attempt to find that right now so we can mark it for you guys. MDR is an old racing series called Mojave Desert Racing. It's been down for a bit, but there's a part of the old race course that's out here and it's a really gnarly jump. It's kind of like a blind jump and you have to clear this rock. Not that many people hit it because it looks sketchy as hell, but definitely a cool spot. We'll go check it out right now and let's go.
Yeah, let's go, hurry before it gets dark.
Broke that one.
This one. It's
So-
called a Ford, Elliot. Don't do it. Get a Toyota.
The hood broke off. Hey! Now we're gonna have to strap it on the bed cover.
Oh man, what a day.
It's all because this freaking hood. This truck gets no love. This poor truck. This is what happens when you neglect the truck. As long as this doesn't fly off, we're good. So I don't care about the hood. It's trash now. All right, guys. So we are here at the final spot. I'm not sure exactly what the name of this jump is, but this is the old MDR race course we were mentioning a little bit earlier. It's awesome, dude. There's really, really good whoops around here. This is good for kind of all vehicles because there's alternate lines leading up to this trail. But the main thing we're here for is this jump. Now, this jump is really, really sketchy. Last time we were here, I think somebody didn't realize it was here in the dust and they came up this trail, as you can see down here. They came up this trail. There's a couple multiple trails. And depending on what angle you're at, you could line up and you get up right here, you fly over this way. Dude hit this rock right here. So this is common, as you guys see. Some people don't know, but look, this is like frame, this is metal. Our thing is, if you have a nice, well-built pre-runner, you know what you're doing, you have somebody spotting out here. Very windy up here. You can carry a ton of speed straight off the lip, and then you just come in straight. Then you'll boost over this rock and land at the bottom. We're not telling you to do this, but if you do it, it's probably the safer way to do it. So Evan put that whole dang trip together, but didn't get to make it.
I didn't get to go. I even forgot what I had to do. That's
Madness.
how important it was.
Yeah.
I think we just had a lot of stuff going on back to back.
Yeah, we did.
Nelson,
Hold on, Nelson's here.
Yeah, Nelson's here. Hi, Nelson. Nelson's helping us this weekend, which we really appreciate him. We always love it when Nelson can come out and film with us.
And it's
he
not
gets
so
to drive his truck.
disorganized.
He gets to drive his truck too.
And the sound is better,
Yeah,
and the shots
yeah.
are better. Everything's
The
better.
sound's better. But hey guys, this is our last spot. So that's 6 spots for you guys to check out while you're out of the King of the Hammers. You can view them via the Onyx app. We're gonna head back to camp now because it's getting dark, and I'll make a folder and we'll share it with the guys over at Onyx, and then you guys will be able to download that later on, right before KOH, so you'll be able to see all these spots.
Please download that app. If you guys do, we actually have a code. What is it?
It's Terra Crew is the code. And it's
Terra Crew. How could I forget that? Just kidding. Hey, but for real though, if you guys do download it, use the code. It shows them that we're like showing you guys stuff. It helps us out, and you guys get a discount. So if you guys like this, and you guys have some other spots that you guys would like us to check out, please comment, let us know, and we will read the comments on this one. Even the ones where they're like, hate you guys.
It's a good app, and we wouldn't endorse it at all if it was garbage. So it's a good app. It's super user friendly, and it's just a good tool to have. So we appreciate our guys over at Onyx for helping us do these kind of episodes. And yeah, so go download it. Use code TerraCrew, 20% off. It's not expensive already, and it's a 1-year subscription, and you got it. You're good to go.
And if you're gonna try this jump, please be careful. Know what you're doing. Have jumped other things before.
Have a spotter.
And if you do it, film it and send it to us.
Film it and send it to us, and go fast. And do it in a well-built truck. Don't do it in your mama's Tacoma.
We got some more stuff coming at you. We're gonna stay out here for a couple more days, and we got some rad spots to check out with some of the other boys on the other side. That's basically pre-runner friendly spots that you guys will definitely like to check out. And anything else?
Yeah, well, tomorrow we'll shoot a hot spots Lucerne. So another addition, if you guys want to break away from the KOH for
the west side.
Yeah, we'll shoot the west side. So we'll show you guys some spots over there, which is not too far from where King of the Hammers will be.
Yeah, and we got some badass trucks.
Yeah, and you can take a day and go out that way too. So
we don't have badass trucks. The people we're gonna go film have badass trucks. Yeah, link in the description for access to the page, to Terra Crew, to the Onyx app, all that good stuff. Clicky, right? Yeah. Heary. Later, dudes. Take care.
And you know what? We'll put a
damn it, Evan.
We'll put a link down there too to buy tickets to KOH and to register for the Terra Crew Rush race.
Yes. It's gonna be insane, dude. It's gonna be the wildest 1450 race since the old days, man. Yeah.
Big prize. Sick. Not many miles, but big prize. So it's gonna be madness.
Mega hucks.
All right.
Later.
Let's get out of here.